So this is my voice, and yeah, I'm gonna talk like this for all my YouTube stuff. And I'm basically gonna do loads of things. One second. No, she's fine.
You can make sure to change my password.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't Kylie, it was her.
Cool.
Anywho.
I subbed. Subscribed. Lol. I'm gonna... You. Not you. Not Pixie. Who knew Pixie Star was a computer? Yeah, it's a computer. I'm with my sister. She has a YouTube channel called Unicornpopxx. Don't mind all of this. So this is her YouTube, Popxx, that. With this face at the end. People always forget it, but it's there. When we hit 30 subscribers, I am gonna do a face reveal. Yes, a face reveal. And I'm gonna see who subscribed. I've got 1 subscriber. Guess who? My sister. Yeah. I'm gonna go in the VIP club. Sister. What's the name out, Ada? Okay. Okay. So, please add this girl. Yes, this girl. Yes. Oh, BRB. Sorry about that. I just went somewhere. And yeah, add this girl. She's called Snowy. So this, yeah. I'm going on my US account now. I have to do this because I cannot find the US on, let's see, that. Oh my, what's, no girl. Oh, I'll tell you what. Movie Star Planet US. Yay. So I'm only level 5 on this. Yeah, level 5. because I've just started a few days ago. Let's log in. Yeah. Let's say YT new Allan, new vid recording. That's a lot of money. Good. How's your recording? Good. Oh my god. I'm gonna do tasks because I want to. Well, yes. This has 13 views, Alex. 13 views on the first video. Queen Wolf.
I am giving this account away. It's in the title. I mean, it's not giving it away.
Okay.
Obviously, Thank you so much, Sugar Light and Plays. Oh my god. Let me give you a shout out as well.
What?
Thank you so much for the sponsors, guys. Okay, let's see. You're on Culture Creators. See what you can get into, guys. Please subscribe to that.
Please.
You're not giving any accounts. Here I am there.
No, you can.
You're not giving any accounts there. It's called account giveaway, but I can't just like put passwords in 24/7 that have no code.
Let's see if I'm on here.
Giving gifts and stuff. I can't make like 500 accounts and just give out the password for each one when it's only level 0. What sort of giveaway is that? You guys can make your own account that's level 0. So yeah. I love you too, Sugar Light Play.
This is no point. Hello. No. Let's go. What the heck is this? Who is excited? Wait. Lol. I need this fame, girl. There's a trick on MSP. When you rate movies, when you do very good, you get more fame and everything.
Not really a trick.
Still. I'm friends with Love Bell.
Let's see. Ooh.
Oh. No. So I think I might end this video here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my sister. It'll be in the link description down below. And yeah. Thank you. Goodbye.